Hey.
Alright, beep.
What's going on?
Wait, it's on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, what? I haven't said them in so long. That was a good mating call we had there. I liked it. Guys, chill out with the shooting.
Well, no, I'm just making sure I'm all sighted in, yo. You know.
Are you recording, like, for YouTube?
Go, go, go.
Go and Sean, run!
Go, Sean, go! Come on, Matt, operate. Let's go.
Oh, shit. Watch out, I'm moving over here.
Operate now, let's go.
Yo, dude, you just got hit.
Shot.
I just got shot in the leg.
Yo, dude, I'm running, alright? Hold on a second.
That's smoke grenade, change it.
We should use that, like, when we play a game. Yo, he's coming to the door. Watch, watch.
Shit.
Yo.
Get away.
Shot shadow, fuck.
We're all just somebody get in there and deal with him.
Alright, I'll do it.
Oh!
Oh.
Do you want? I'll take it too. Alright, let's go.
Alright, go.
Reach front room.
Go, get in there, Sean.
Sean, the
Room
GoPro
clear.
The GoPro makes you more aggressive, right?
You're funny. Shit.
Oh, it's so sticky down here.
Oh, sorry, I just came.
I feel like a carpet, man.
It's so sticky. Ow, face.
Ricochet.
On the left side. Move around the left side. Are you kidding me?
Yo, Joe, did you shoot me?
No.
Alright.
You? Are you kidding me? How many times did I shoot you? Oh?
Fuck.
Ricochet.
Ricochet. Yeah, you'll cover. Liam, stay here, alright? Matt, on you. Guys, watch out.
One in the back.
Oh shit.
Is that coming from back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch out.
Yeah.
Hit.
Fuck.
Come out.
Yo, Chris, you see him, right?
No.
Guys, get to that tree right there and use that as an angle. And try to move over to the woods.
Chris, stay down.
Oh, that rang a lot. Ah. Woo. Jesus.
You can only see to the wooden wall.
Someone in that room, dude. Come on, guy, even with you.
Wait.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah, alright. Dead.
Sean, did he call out too?
Wait, yo.
You're dead, dude.
I know, but I'm just gonna tell you this right now. It's a surrender rule now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a question, but I'm dead.
Good job, Tom.
Yo, Mitch, you gotta go over the how it's surrender now rule again. Respawn!
Don't even use it.
What?
We encourage you not to use it and just shoot them. Yes.
So if they say bang bang, me shoot them.
Yeah, bang bang's not a rule.
Gotcha.
The kid's down the left side.
Yeah, it's clear, Chris. No one to the rear either.
We're on. Clear.
Wait, hold on, wait.
No, it's clear, Sean.
No.
Okay, yeah, definitely, Sean.
Alright, we're good.
It's not getting that. We're clear the woods. Clear the woods.
Rags out! Rags out! Chamber square!
Oh, Sean.
Good teamwork.